everyone, it's MamaDoesNailz and welcome back to my channel. I already have some tips on. I've used the 123 Go nails. These are the French black tips, and I used the pink bubblegum gel to put them on. So I thought that would save some time to put them on. I have put some top base coat on and I have wiped that tacky layer. So I'm thinking today, what do I want to do? Not really sure. Oh my gosh. I'm quite feeling, you know, just some simple candy cane stripes, or I don't know. We're going to see. But I want to use one of these OGs. It's the Galaxy Space Kitty. I'm looking forward to the contrast because, you know, these cat eyes always reflect differently on black. Kind of like that. I will do 2 coats. Okay, so just doing that second coat on the thumb, and this is my magnetic combo. Now you can obviously use it how you wish, but I'm just using the force of all the magnets to get it down to that black. I'm using some of this chrome. It's an Auora chrome and it looks just like the pink I'm seeing. So, you know, just adding some more Christmas feel to this. And it's really just about the shine. All I did was put some no wipe top coat on. The shiny top coat is a no wipe, so I just use that. So I'm just going to close that and then dust off all the extra. So this is before we have top coated that chrome, right? Well, I'm using Winter Gel 01 and I'm not going to put it all over. I am literally just going to just put it like some parts of the nail. And these are really, really, really fine glitters. Even the gel is just so fine. I'm gonna stamp, I have started stamping some snowflakes. Just gonna do like that one. I'll do like that. So yeah, we're gonna wipe that off. On that nail, can we see this Winter Wonderland? I got a call, so I had to just top coat the nail because I didn't want no accidents. And I, you know, ended up blinging that one nail just to not, because I have to do a school run. So I'm just putting some gummy gel. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Little quick nail snatching. Now let's just look at that cat eye. You can see that chrome. We did some stamping of some snowflakes. There's the other, there's the thumb. Forgot to put on some cuticle oil, so I'm just going to use just a little bit. I say a little bit, but I've got peel off base coat on. Let me just lift up my hand. I just remembered I'm using my cushion. So Don't want to get anything on there. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Now, you can see the bottom that is black. There is a contrast at the bottom, right? So it's almost looking like an ombre just because of that. And I think this is just giving all that cute pink Christmas vibe. Now, I've just turned one of the lamps off just so you can really see. Look at that. Just put in that cuticle oil. It was this Space Kitty Gel 034. I don't even know if Max still has it, but honestly, I just love the pink shift in there. And then we used one of the winter gels, the candy one, 01. And that is just so super soft. And as I said, I stamped some snowflakes, but we have just, it just looks like like I said, a very cute shiny Christmas. And I love that. The colours just come through, and that's just with really the flash. Because I turned that lamp off. Let's turn another one off. Ooh, look at that. So you can really see that coming through. Okay, I still need to do some finish shots. I'm MamaDoesNailz. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to use and share my code, guys. Please catch me in the next one. Bye.